Alright. Well, good man. Sorry, I'm a little late today. Shit. I had to take me a little nap. Alright, that was our daily or B. I'm gonna move down to my 4 hour. Move this over. It's gonna be our 4 hour bearish. No, that's gonna be our bullish order block. Yep, 4 hour bullish order block. Show how Man, what the fuck? I'm gonna have to mess around with these colors one of these days. Like we made that high. Like we made that higher low. Okay, let's just see what price wanna do. If price can break up above here, I'll take that loan back up to these highs. If price gives some rejection right here and we break structure, I want to take that back down for this liquidity because price might want to drop back a little lower. Trying to equal high. Do I see any equal highs, equal lows? Yep. Okay, we had equal highs, equal lows. Now here is this it right here? We're gonna go to a smaller time frame. What's the word, Logan? My trading was good. Yeah. How about you? Did you trade this week? Yeah, I can't lie. My trading was good. Green beans all week. I don't know how long I'm gonna be on tonight. I kind of just want to get a little practice in. All right, this is what I'm looking for here. I don't know if I can see this. Hold up. If price is gonna go down, I want to see it reject right here. Then I'm taking it back down to these lows here. If price is to break up above, to change the state right here, I want to see price do this. Then I'm chasing. This is gonna be my TP1, and this is gonna be my TP2, my runner. Just like that. That's what I'm looking for my upside or downside right now. We in this fair value too. Oh shit. Around me, like a ring in a headshot. Look a ring in a headshot. Hey, Tachi, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. I appreciate you sharing the live. I appreciate you. Thank you. I missed the follow somewhere. I'm sorry. Damn, I don't know where it's at. What did I learn personally this week? Uh, Honestly, it's like I learned a lot. Really, just sharpening my skills. Sharpening my skills in my order blocks and my fair value gaps. I learned that I really like AMD and I like I'm liking my new way of trading. What else have I learned? I'm I'm learning how to like scale into my positions. So I'm learning how to not risk so much money up front, but how to scale back into my position. So usually I'll go like 4 or 5 contracts in at one time, but I'm understanding. I'm like, wait, why would I go five? Why would I go 4 or 5 contracts in at one time? My stop loss is still wider, and I'm risking seven. I'm risking 600, 700 a trade. I'm like, that's way too much money I'm risking per trade. So what I've realized and what I've been learning and seeing is like, okay, if I do 2 contracts first, I'm only risking $100 to $300, which is I'm comfortable like risking that. So I'm only risking $100 to $300. Then I'm gonna have entry one. Then I'm gonna have a second entry. So I'm gonna have my 3 contracts or 2 more contracts sitting right there. Once price hits that up, boom. Now I got my 4 contract. Then I move my stop loss up because my trade is already going in my direction. So shit. Hopefully that made sense. Shit. What's the word, my boy? What's thy word, player? What's thy word, brethren? Okay. I don't want price to come up, reject back off. So I wouldn't trade this just yet. I'll wait till price, see what price wants to do here. Hello. This is like an AMD right here. Trying to learn AMD. Well, hopefully you can see me use AMD today, and you learn something new. Thank you for the follow, Jesus. Uh, I tried the trading view one, and I don't like how I can't like chase my time to 1 minute. You can only do 5 minutes plus, and like it's really delayed on here. Like you'll press the pause button for it to stop, and it will still shoot out 4 other candles after that. And FX replay is a little bit more like sharper. Like when I press stop, like it don't shoot no more candles out. It stops where I want it to stop. Trading view be trying to mess you up. What's the word, G? What's the word, secret? What's the word, D? But I'm looking at this right here. This can be AMD right here. If this is AMD, then we have that manipulation lower. Price is gone. I already drew out my plays with what I want to see to the upside and downside. So this is what we're looking for. let's go down to different time frame. But this is like it could be a little AMD right here. The price manipulated lower, took out these lows. Price distributing higher. Price holds up here. I'm taking it up to take TP1 at these equal highs. Then I'll have a runner, just in case price want to keep going. If y'all was in the live yesterday, what I said, AMD accumulation. What's gonna happen? You either gonna get a sweep of the upside. Then once you get that sweep of that upside in your London, you know that's manipulation. Everybody else gonna think you going higher. You're not going higher. What you gonna do? Distribute lower. If we swept the sell side liquidity in that London session, you already know what we gonna do in the New York session. Distribute higher. I love AMD, bro. AMD is probably literally my favorite. I don't know, it's just me, but these songs hitting right now. Yep, this is AMD right here. All right, so I really want price to hold up right here and to go higher. But yeah, this is AMD accumulation, equal highs, equal lows, manipulation of that low, distribution back higher. We just got to see how far this price want to distribute up. Excuse me, shit. Alright, I'm about to restart this and turn that hoe up. I'm backtesting right now, Trey. What stock AMD? No, not the stock AMD, but AMD is a trading strategy. So it's accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Those are your three phases of the market. You might know Turtle Soup or Power 3, but they're all the same thing. Yo, AMD is your story. Yo, AMD is your story, your map of the market. That tells you exactly what position you're in. Y'all see it here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock on this backtesting session. So we're in that New York. Look at that. Once it holds up above, I can still take that trade. Now watch this. Okay. What time is it? Alright, it's still 9:31 a.m. Price broke out through. I would want price to find some type of support. Let's see if we took out some buy side. Let's go to like a 5-minute. Okay. We got all liquid up here. I would want price to still continue upward. I'll be looking here. That's what I'll be looking at. I want this to stay above 50% of that wick box. Hold up. Let me run my feed right quick. I just want to see something. Price shut up where? Where price shoot up at and on that field? Yeah, I see the shit. We said it yesterday. Where did price shoot up at? Between that 70, that 70, 75 range. That 70, 80, or wherever you want. That's your buy range right there. God damn, these songs are smacking right now. Oh my god. I'm about to restart it. Oh my god, I'm about to replay this shit. I'm trading a Nasdaq. What's a good platform for newbies? To practice, what I'm using right now, FX Replay. You can use TradingView too, but you have to pay for it. I appreciate you, Logan. Right on, Logan, for answering that question. But yeah, I got all my playlist. I updated like I update that. Damn, what the fuck am I talking about? I update my playlist maybe like almost every day because I'm always learning something and watching something. So if I'm watching a video and I'ma save it in that playlist. So y'all gonna all the videos I watch is literally gonna be right there. How do you find stocks to trade? I don't trade stocks, so only reason I would really trade stocks, like I just trade the Nasdaq and the ES. So basically just the whole company of the market. But like I don't trade individual stock like Tesla or Apple or anything like that. Like if you can do that, but I feel like a lot of things like that are more based. There was a little bit more volatile in my opinion, but even they kind of all follow the same pattern. But I don't know, like that's kind of I just like the Nasdaq, honestly. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Nah, that was the VWAP. But the indicator on her butt. Yeah. So I don't even be looking at it because the indicator on her butt. Oh my what? Walkie slash. Baby got that walkie slash. Yeah, what price wanna do? We went from an external to an internal. I want this price low key to sweep a sell side. I low key want price to sweep this before moving back up. Hold on. Yep. Come on, man. What the fuck did I just say? Watch this shit. I still want price to sweep a sell side. Prices place higher. Let me see this next candle. Oh, I didn't know it was still going. No, I didn't know it was still going. Okay, I'm just gonna let price go and hit this TP1 since I've already missed my entry. I wouldn't force that. I wouldn't force. Oh, it already hit the TP1 right here. So I'll just wait and see how price want to react. I really was waiting for price right here. I want a price to react a little bit lower. Let's look on our 5 minute to see what we had. Okay, so I need to go back on my 5 minute because if I was on my 5 minute, we rejected all. Okay. That's that TP1. Let's just see how price react. I won't force. I won't just jump in that entry. Oh my god. This uptrend strong as shit on here. You not even getting like you ain't getting no type of rejection lower. Like I'm looking for a rejection lower for an entry. Like I tried to enter down here for a rejection. Like that motherfucker just kept going. I wanted another one right here for an entry to come down here. It just this uptrend is strong as hell. I don't know. I'm about to go to this shit strong as fuck. So that's TP1. I still wanted to hit TP2. Yeah, this uptrend hella strong on here. Or consolidation for your next entry? Were you asking what I was waiting for on here? Yeah, I was looking for some retests on like some fair value gaps or anything. But right here you wouldn't get no retest at all. You just straight uptrend. Shit, I wasn't in doubt. I knew this shit going up. I just couldn't get a fucking entry. But yeah. No, I study algorithms. No. Did you win that short NQ earlier? I didn't take a short on NQ. I appreciate the follow though. Xavier, I appreciate the follow. DJ, I appreciate you. I'm on FX Replay. Jazz, I appreciate the follow. No. So I was looking for a retest. I was looking on the look at this shit. I was looking on the retest like on a. I was looking at this at first. I'm like, okay, we had this. I wanted price to take out a low before we move back up. So I was waiting for price to come down. Boom, like we just start moving up. I'm like, okay, like, all right, let me try again. We had another little gap right here on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute. And I'm like, all right, I want price to come, retrace back down till I get a little entry. Fuck no. That shit just hit. This shit just ran. When do you restrict for gap or find an entry based off that? When I get a valid retest. So my valid retest is right here. So I should have just entered in right here. But I was looking for it, like I was expecting price to just like take out a low before it moved back up. Like I wanted price to low-key take out a low before it moved back up or cool off. Cause look at this shit. Look how strong this uptrend is. Like you wouldn't get no type of pullback at all. I was waiting for like at least like a little pullback or a retest of a zone so I can enter back in. But I mean, shit, the shit still went up. I'm gonna go to a different time frame, but I want to see it hit TP2. I want to see it hit TP2. Oh, did it hit TP2? Nah, not yet. What time is this? 11. You know I'm just talking all shit. No. Never leave me alone. We got a retest on that OB. No, go. She was over talking like she no. Excuse me. Just some accident. It's something to find. You're not doing it. It's something to find. I can start for you. And nobody can start you now. And now I've been up and nothing now. Every time for you. Fucking running nothing. I'll be talking like she no. I said y'all didn't never leave me long. That's some accident, I'm in this for the long. She goes up be talking like she no. Let me long. Just some accident. Whoa, she really got me slow. Stay speedful. Don't let go. I'm the type to show you that you're too strong. That's a star for you. And I might get something that you know like you. And not to die for you. Not to die for you. Fuck around and die for you. And that's take profit. How the fuck did I not get stopped out? And that's TP. Don't go. She doesn't be talking like she no. Me long. That's some accident. If a fair value gap gets respected and it pushes through. If a fair value gap gets disrespected and it pushes through, should you make an entry based off that? It depends. Like sometimes you might have a CISD, so you'll change in state candle. So if I see price, if I'm in a PD array or your fair value gap or anything like that, and I see price, like say a price, say this is my fair value gap, and I see price like sweep a low right here, I can enter off my change in state. So like this just lets me know like okay we sweep a low, we sweep a high. So once we swept the low and got these big wick candles up right here and we closed above my fair value gap, I'm safe right there. You see, bro, I literally did that shit. You gonna see it, bro. Look at that shit. So once you got that displacement on that up, I feel safe under here. I mean, you could be a little bit more safe. You can go a little bit down. I don't even know how I didn't get stopped out. Like, my stall off was just perfect. But you can move that shit. Let's go to my 5 minute because we might have something better on there. Yeah, how did I not get stopped out? Ooh, that shit was right on the money. But you could be a little safer or whatever. But I happen to just be just right. Then once I saw that displacement and that change in character, I knew Price was gonna want to go chase some highs again. I'm homeless, thanks to you. What you share? Yep. Yeah, that box was a fair value gap. Future, I appreciate the follow. Where did I get in at? Me that chicken noodle scoopy. I think I entered somewhere right. I think I entered right here. Somewhere right here. Look at that. Oh my god, that was just that stop was just perfect. But once I saw that displacement to the upside, I knew price was gonna go higher. All right, let's go to a different time frame. The fucking air is still on. It's kind of cold. I don't know where I zoomed to, but I'm somewhere. Excuse me. Higher highs, higher lows. Get up, no problem like that. It's about it like that. Oh, don't do it. Please don't do it. If one of us do it, then I'll do it. Alright, my high and low, my previous day. 3 a.m. It's 3 a.m. Okay. So this is 7 a.m. Like, what day is this? And money over everything. Oh, here we go. 3 p.m. 7 p.m. 11 p.m. 3 a.m. 3 a.m. You supposed to do. Why gotta be like that? Facts, that is true. Stuffing on it. You ain't even got that long time. I can see price open high, lower close. Say it, but we'll see if we keep this trend up. But we'll see. We got this 4-hour fair value. They know. And the weather's on around. Up to all the stars. I really earned a chance this time. That's something they know. Money over everything. Money over more. Yeah, trade whatever makes you feel the safest, the most comfortable. Price has swept these highs. I could low key looking for some displacement lower. What's the other day? Let's go to a lower. We're gonna see when we go to a lower time frame because I can't see the time. Price might go below. Last green candle. Oh, here we go right here, my AMD. Equal highs, equal lows. We manipulated higher. We swept that high. Yeah. I'm looking for some displacement lower. I got stopped out there. Okay. Let's look at this and see what we did. Let's see price just a little bit, see what's going on. Let's go to our hour. We found some support on this fair value gap. Okay. Okay. So what I should have done there, since we had two major fair value gaps there, we went past the next one. So I should have saw I need the price to close out below that fair value gap. Okay. All right. Let's go to our next. All right. Let's see what we got. My fault, y'all. Yeah, I was in that sale, but I got in too early. So, like, I have my two major fair value gaps here, and we closed out above it that first initial time a while ago. We closed out above that. I should have waited till price closed out below, then I should have got in. Yep. So, yeah, I don't like trading. I don't like trading the same time once I already see price do what it do. Let me see if they got time sessions on here. No, they don't got it. I'm gonna turn my air off record. Hold up. Oh, brother! This guy stinks. Oh, brother. Alrighty. Damn, it's cold as hell in here, man. Alright. What time is this? 9 p.m. Let's mark out our Asia zone real quick. Alright, what do we see right here? Equal highs, equal lows. That's what I see, brother. That's what I see, brother. Equal high, equal low. What the hell did this come from? This one. Equal high, equal low, brother. Oh, shit. Alright, we got a daily high and low. We already swept these highs. Alright. We might find some displacement here and go lower. It'll like, Like price might want to break down here. Look like price might want to break down here, but we'll see. What's up with these people who be doing that? No, I never heard of overnight drift. Excuse me. And it's for value gap. We closed out below this fair value. It really look like price might want to break down. Hold on, hold on. Oh my god. I'm about to replay this shit. Shit, I'm only up $1.38 right now. I just lost my profit on my last trade. I took two trades so far. I'm about to replay this shit. Hold on, this shit fire. Shit, what the fucking fly? What the fuck? It's a fucking bee? What the fuck? Hold up. It's a fucking bee. What the hell? Bro, where the fuck did that bee just go, bro? Oh shit. Bro, where the hell did that bee just go? That mother flew right on my hand. Oh, fuck. Oh my goodness. I smacked the shit out that B. I'm sorry. Hell, bro, that motherfucker flew right on my hand. Most def, Jay, I got you. I mean, y'all thought that shit was funny? Shit, that shit landed right on my finger. King over trade blocks. Still trying to understand what they do. Oh, order block? Is that what you talking about? Thank you for follow, Caden. I mean, I took 2 trades already. I mean, it's okay so far, shit. Sorry. I gotta mark everything out on here because I can't do it like my regular charts. So I gotta mark everything. I gotta mark everything out so I can see this. So it's a little confusing, but it's alright. Equal highs, equal lows. Let's see what price want to sweep a sell side or buy side. What the fuck? The whole market closed? It was 3 p.m. 9 p.m. Oh, it was a Friday. Oh, fuck me. I marked all of this out on a freaking end of a session on a Friday. So I can't. That's basically just ruined the whole. That's the worst part. Let's try it on TradingView. We're gonna go on TradingView and see what it see if it works a little bit better. We're gonna see if it's a little bit better today. Yeah, what the fuck? Alright, whatever. What happened to the replay? I do not like the replay on TradingView, bro. I love her. She in her pocket because I let her. Oh, oh, yo. For the leather, she's in the way. You want the music up a little bit? I got you. We're back testing, bro. Bro said, am I trying to trade the Friday night? I was just using FX replay, but that's that low-key just. I'm gonna try it on TradingView and see if I like it. But I was just on FX replay. I just marked out my whole chart, and the freaking chart cut off and opened to a whole nother session. So I'm like, man, that shit was lucky annoying. so so I'm gonna go on Train View, see if I like it. Oh, I might replay this shit. Y'all want the music up a little bit more? Is it good enough? She's in his pocket. Yeah, I can go order block. Man, I'm sorry. Fuck that bee. That motherfucker should never flew in my hand. Yeah, I just don't like the replay mode on here. It's kind of butt fuck. It's kind of butt. So do it better. Do it. Oh, do it better. It's sunny weather. Just because I don't find it good. And none of my settings are on here too. Oh my goodness gracious. Do it leather. She's gonna leather. She think it's set up because it's leather. I just want to trade. I hate having to do all this. I don't know how my indicator didn't say. She's in his leather. She's in his sweater because it's leather. She's in his pocket because I let her do it better. God dang it. Hold up. I need to save this as a default. Alright, I think we good now. Alright, we good. Yeah, the market's close. Yeah, I was setting my kill zone. Bet. Trading View? I don't know. I don't think Trading View got that many flaws, personally. How the hell do I get this? Oh, I can't get that replay shit off my screen. Yeah, I was setting my kill zone. I'm gonna play this up until my 1 p.m. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes the music works. Whatever you want to do, shit. The market's closed. I'm just backtesting right now. I'm just backtesting today for a little bit. We just backtesting today. Getting some higher lows. We got some sales side. 2077. Look like price might want to come up and take these highs out. Fair value here. Fair value here. It's hella fair values in this shit. Yeah, look like price might have go do a rebalance. Yeah. Got a fair value. How do we get? We rejected off this order block. This 4-hour OB right here. I just gonna mark it out so I can see it. Rejected right off. We got a fair value up here. Price could be targeting here. Alright. Price swept the lows here. Moving up. I really want price. Let me go back to my daily right quick. If we sweep these highs, I can see price coming back up to this FVG right here. Let me change the color of this. What's going on, man? Oh no, you all good. Oh, this, Alright, I low-key want price to go back up to this FBG up here. let's see what I. Okay, so we had equal highs, equal lows. We manipulated lower, took out this sell side here. We manipulated lower. We took out these sell side here, and we took out here. We're distributing higher. We distributed higher. We took these highs. Did we take them? No, we just rejected off of them. Okay, so I would want price to take this high here. I would want price to hold up. Take this high here. And take this high here. Their price is gonna hold back up. Now let's draw this out so we can see it. Price rejected here. Move back lower. Price came back up. Move back lower. Let's go closer. Yep, so I want price to come up. Then go right here. So what's that right here? Be looking for something like this. Yep. I'd be looking for like a 1-on-1 on this one. That would be for my up play. If price decides to stay lower, where are we at right now? Okay, so if price closes out below here, then I can see price coming back down into this zone. Then we'll come back down and take out these lows here. Then I'll be looking for these lows here. But it looks like we're in that distribution phase now, going into our going back into our ages session. Okay. How and what to invest? You said got it. I'm not gonna tell you what you should and shouldn't be invested in. I think the main thing about that is to like maybe you want to like find a sector to invest in. So maybe just like a technology sector, oil sector. Maybe you want to do this like long-term investing or dividend yield investing. So I will look into those different kinds of investing first and figure out what best fits you. Because maybe you just want to be a long-term S&P holder and just trade and just invest that way. Or maybe you just want to trade in, invest in just like dividend yields and things like that. So just do your due diligence and just do your research on it. You got to go to replay trading. What's the word, Sin? What's the word? Oh, right on, my boy. You ain't have to do that, my boy. I appreciate you. This is love. I appreciate you, Sin. Sin, I appreciate you. Future, I appreciate you too. Thank you. I don't ever be checking that shit. I appreciate y'all. That's love. I appreciate you. I'm back testing right now. Yep. Lewis, I appreciate the follow. User, I appreciate the follow too. So yeah, I'm just back testing today. I'm gonna be praying about it this weekend, but I might be going back into my funded soon. We had a really good week of trading. The progress is there. Like the progress is telling me that I'm ready to move back. But like for some reason in my mind, I'm like I want a little bit more time to keep honing down on my new strat. But so far really good. We already would have passed our funded. So I'm really happy about that. So I don't know why in my mind I'm still like I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. But I'm not in a rush. I'm gonna be patient. All right. I do not like. I don't like backtesting on TradingView. So we gonna see how it acts today. And I don't like backtesting on TradingView because y'all gonna see. Like when you press stop, that shit be shooting like more candles out than what it need to be doing. We rejected out that fair value. Price is coming up, changing the state. We're holding up above. Uh, uh, you can't even go on the 1 minute on this shit, too. Like this shit be weird as hell. There we go. Okay, we retested right back down. I want price to hold out above. I'm on a no. I got my shit no. The first candidate burst pressure down. Price move in my direction. I don't know if I can see that. Can y'all see that? Okay, so this is when I get better at. I'm gonna see if I can see that. Okay, so I went in 2 contracts right here. So I want to get better at scaling. I went in new 2 contracts with a bigger stop loss. So I'm only risking like $100 to $300. Boom, price moved up. We're at $67 right now. So I will be looking to scale in now. So I'll be looking to add. This is when I really want to get better at. So I'll be looking to add 2 more contracts, and I'll be looking to move my stop loss up. So I'll wait. Let me just go back in. I see a FBG right here on my 5 minute. I would want price trying to get back in here for a re-entry. But we'll see how price want to react. Let's go down. Actually, let's go to the 15 minute right quick. Yeah. I would want price to come back down. We're up 327. Okay, look at that. Both take profits hit. TP1, TP2. We made 327 on that play. Not bad. Not bad. My new strategy is a mix between ICT, order flow, and value. I mainly like AMD, the AMD method, but I also use just my order blocks and fair value guys for confirmation. Swear Lewis. Never listened to a replay trader. Wait, what is that? I'm a screen record the strat. What you mean, Lewis? Yeah, it's not open today. I'm just practicing my strat. My strategy is understand who, what, where, when, and why the market. Okay. Are you doing calls on VIX? No, I don't even know what VIX is. All right, let's go to a different date. I already did this date. Give me something different. Mm-mm. My strat is a mix between ICT, volume, and order flow. I really use my order blocks for value gaps, change the structure, break the structure. Yeah, I enter on my 5 minute for a more precise entry. Sometimes I be usually enter on my 5 minute. Recently, sometimes I look at my 5 minute and I go down to my 1 minute because I'm trying to get better at scaling into my positions. So I'm trying to get better at that, so I'm not risking so much. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, trying to shoot up. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. All right. On to the next. Higher lows still. It's still in this uptrend. They're making higher lows. We took those low. Higher low. Thought it was gonna take a lower low. Higher low. Higher low. Higher. Higher low. I can see price. I can see really see price coming and taking these lows down here, but let's see. Bro, what? Like it like keeps skipping all the dates, bro. They be skipping all the dates. Like what? Price look like we might come up, take out these highs here. Then it look like we could manipulate back lower. I mean, distribute lower, and I'll be looking at this. Oh, we in this daily. Back in that daily. Price went through. Okay. Price in that daily. Let's see all that. We brought this here. Gaia. Oh, let me go back. Change that color so I can see what it is. Okay, look like price might move back up and take these highs before moving back lower. It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. So we in that New York. Okay. Hold up. Let's see what phase we in right quick. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, I should be at the club right now. It be like this sometimes, but. Who said all nighter? You want to see what's happening on a monthly on a backtesting session? This ain't the live market. Yeah, I can go to the club and I'm gonna be practicing my craft. Okay. So Asia session. What the hell? Like, why is the dates? That's the worst part about backtesting. Like, the dates be off, be all messed up. Okay. This is an Asia session. We manipulated lower. We just distributed higher. Yeah, we just distributed higher. Manipulated lower during that London session. We just distributed higher. Now it look like we about to just consolidate again. I can see price coming back down. We just swept the highs. I can see price coming back down into this low and settle it back in. Okay. So now we're just looking for that accumulation range. Shit, I should be getting off live right now. On Friday, I sure was like I'm probably gonna get off around like 10, 10:30, but I'm gonna do this play. We'll see what time I get off. Have a good one. No, I'm good, bro. The market is closed. That's not even FVG right here. Alrighty. If price is gonna move back up for me, which I don't really see him, I don't see it moving much higher. But if price decided to move back higher, I want to get over this order block. Then yeah, I wanted to see it take out these highs. It'd be a TP1, then TP2. So this, if price was to move up, this is what I would want to see. It'll be a TP1, then it'll be a TP2 at these highs. I'm sure if price was to move up, it'll take out all these equal highs, but I will always just target here to just take my profit. That would be for my uptrend. For downtrend, I want price to reject off of here. I would want price to reject off that bearish, and I would want it to move back into this 4-hour. But I would honestly, I would take profit here, or depending on how price do, I can take profit there, or I can take profit here, then here. So here, and there, if price is to move back down. With me being safer in this play, knowing this is an Asia session, I would take profit. I would take profit in this fair value gap. So I have a TP1 in that fair value and a TP2 down below at this liquidity right here. Okay, let's just see what price want to do and go from there. Okay, price closed out underneath. Price swept that liquidity. Double check on my higher time frame. Yep, the last red candle. Yeah, this price is going. No, I don't got a Spotify playlist. Price goes back underneath. Okay. I still wouldn't take this trade here because we still got this fair value right here. So I want to see how price react here. If I had a better entry, you could have took that rejection back down, but I only would have took it back down to here, wherever this fair value is. So I would want to see how price reacts here before I confirm, okay, price want to go lower, or we might distribute back higher. So, and I'm basically just marking mostly a lot of things so I can visually start seeing it. Okay. Price rejected right there. This price gonna come back to that fair value. Yep. I want to see it come back to this fair value to see it sweep some lows. Okay. Price move back to that fair value. What we see? We got this fair value right here on that 5 minute. If price continuing to clear lower, I want to see it take out these lows. time is it? Like we found our range. This is 11 p.m. Okay, so we're getting ready to go into that manipulation phase. So a price goes back higher, it's at this, then I know it's gonna go lower in that New York. But we're really close to this low side. So I want to see price manipulate lower, then it should be back higher. I like how we got price to come right back down to that fair value gap. It's one good potential if it bounces out that fair. It could go back up, but we having I will be looking for my AMD right now. So we got equal highs and we got equal lows. So depending on what price does, depending on what side it sweeps, it will determine what I'm doing. Because if we sweep up and reject off this bearish order block, I know price is gonna go back lower. But if we sweep this low, I know price is gonna move back higher. Big, I appreciate the follow. Mike, thank you for sharing. I appreciate you. Seeker's doing his thing. I don't know. Shit. All right. I'm just waiting on the sweep. If we take out these lows, I'm aiming for that high. You just be patient now. You sit on your hands and wait. What's it? Welcome to it's fucking. Oh, why the fuck am I on those? Stay on all night like porch light. Let's do it. They're talking. We out here. We ballin'. Night W. 340. Behind the back like nunchucks and us up and up hoes on my up for whatever. Too cheap, too cheap. Says at me with her pussy lips, smooches, like good chains. Look at you, and look at us. I'm a re-rick as fuck. I'm a look rich as fuck. I'm a look rich as fuck. Look at you, yeah, look at us. I'm a look rich as. I'm a look rich as. Never talk to the cops. I don't speak big. No, I'm not doing orb. You said finna hit the hay, tired to the point. Chart isn't making sense. I feel you, bro. It be like that, bro. I appreciate you joining though. Have a good one, bro. Have a blessed one. 197. No poor dogs go to heaven. I can stand that. I can say go, man, to sing a code. I was Mr. Sandman. All these songs. All right, price is going lower. The guys are rapping to me. I think, I don't know. I got that my art. Got house fine. Can't catch none of these. Yup, can't trust none of these. Yup, and I won't. That's it. See go. And I read it with a read it. Could have did this. R.I.P. Rest it. Let's see if price want to take a little bit more highs, or if we're about to displace right back lower. Look around, have a full fight, and that's 2 chains. Look at you, and look at us. All my look rich as fuck. All my look riches. All my. I wish I can go to the 1 minute. Look at you. Riches. All my. I'm just thinking right quick. I know what price wants to do, but I want to see if it wants to move back higher. And I'm trying to think, like I can't remember this CISD for some reason right now. The last green candle before that moved. Yep, okay. Okay. That's gonna be. That's gonna get you. Okay. Let's wait for price to enter. Okay, price take these highs. I'm still looking for a distribute back lower. We're just waiting for that entry now. Okay. Let's go to a higher time frame because we got all them highs up there. We're just looking for that entry for that down. Okay. Damn. What up? Okay, out. Okay, now. God damn, that was a nasty green candle, wasn't it, though? I should have just played that manipulation instead of trying to play this distribution. I like that green candle. Get you. I shall see. I like that. I should have just played that manipulation instead of waiting for this distribution. I like that shit. Yeah, I should have just played that uptrend instead of waiting for that distribution. Wait. Am I fried, bro? No. Okay. So I wanted this price to go back down during my New York session. I'm happy I didn't enter that trade, but this is what I was looking for here. So just playing off my accumulation, we had my accumulation phase, just looking at my my Power 3 or my AMD. So I'm happy I didn't enter that here, but this is what I was looking for. I was looking for that accumulation. I was looking for that manipulation higher, because we had that bearish order block up here. So I wanted to gauge price. I wanted price to come and take out those highs right before it distributed lower. So me knowing me breaking out, wanting to play that manipulation phase in my London session, I wanted to play that distribution back downwards. So I'm still I still think price would head back downward into that New York session, but instead of me waiting for that distribution downward, I should have just played my session. I know my session is still in that manipulation phase. We broke out to the upside. So I should have just rolled the price in that manipulation phase instead of keep waiting for my entry to the distribution phase back lower, if that makes sense to y'all. I use FX replay sometimes. I have it up, but I just been switching between them. I'll go live Monday, usually Monday through Friday, if not Monday through Thursday. Yeah, I'm up 327 right now. If y'all can see that, I don't know if I can see that. And then have you willing to test out an algo I made? I'm good, bro. I appreciate you asking though. I don't know how much I can see of this screen. Can y'all even see this? Yeah. So I hope that makes sense to y'all. So I was waiting. I'm still waiting for that distribution back lower, but I should have just played where price was at in my session. So I should have just played this manipulation phase higher. And I got with you. Now we just wait for the next setup. And the kind that we do. I get with you. I'm another with me, and I want with me. Oh shit. Let me go to my low time. I want to see some rejection up here. I want to see some rejection. Okay. Go back to my higher. I'm looking for price to come back down. Let me go to the bathroom right quick. Shit, I've been holding my shit in. Hold up. I'll be right back. Hold up. No, I didn't take a course. YouTube University. Rejected off of that. Prices in this hourly. Oh, fair value. Okay. Price this place lower. I'll be targeting here. Either here, you can even target there, and back lower. I'll have a runner still going. Dun 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 dun. Baby, this a new code, drip like 2-0. Baby, don't get used to this. Oh shit, new shit. Tokyo play switch, super made racing. Stupid, we be going stupid. Drip like 2-0. Baby, don't go used to this. Baby, gonna come back, gonna get your man. To coffee in the gone. Doesn't get my home. Oh, I wanted to get in right here, but I want to get in right here. Then we're going stupid. We be going stupid. Oh, drip like 2-0. Baby, don't get used to this. Oh. Because I was right here. Still be here. I will scale in. I'll go 2 contracts back up here. I'll be targeting here. And I'll be targeting here or back here. What I'll be looking here. Entry 1 and entry 2. Oh shit, I put my position in the wrong way. Bruh, that don't count. I put my position in the wrong way. Alright, let's just let price stay. We still gonna play this. We just gonna look for the next entry. Alright, well, I was looking for that distribution back lower. We still, I don't even know how, but we still made profit. We still made 128 on that play. I just tried to show that shit. But I wanted this to distribute back lower, back in that New York session. This is what I was looking for. I wanted price to manipulate back lower, back in that, where's my lines and shit? Okay, back at this New York session. Manipulation. Yeah. But price decided, instead of distributing back lower, price decided to settle back in. So now we just look for the next move. Because we're going back into that next session time. So I'm not holding that position no more. The market, it was already a market shift. Because we, instead of distributing back lower, we decided to consolidate. All right, this is the last list setup. This is the last list setup I'm gonna do. So you predict where the manipulation might stop based on liquidity. So based on all these swing high points, create like order blocks. You can create a bearish order blocks if we going for the swing highs. So you just wait to see how price reacts when it gets to these zones. Are we doing a market structure shift, a change of direction? Are we breaking structure? So once we break structure, then you know you're going back into right back into that distribution phase. I'm not funny right now. I'm about to go back into my funny though soon. I just been practicing my new strat and trying to get better with it. You asking the wrong question, Strawberry, but I'm not profitable yet. The money gonna come. The money gonna come once you fully understand the market. Okay, we set up these highs. See, we still got this liquidity up here. So I would want to see if price gonna take these out before it distributes back lower. Higher lows, higher lows. You see it? And the price will drop down. I'll be targeting these lows. Where the money with the squad? Get money with the squad. Does this show all my positions? Why doesn't it save any of my data? How much were we just up in that last thing? It was 300 and something. I don't know why it doesn't show my. It's not saving my progress. Yep, literally what he said. Breaker structure, fair value gaps. You looking for them retests, that breaker structure from that fair value gap. All of that. Alright, so I want to see how price react here. Because we swept that previous day high, but we got this liquidity right here. So price can wanna come up and move this out so I can jump down to my lower time frame. You know what? First off, let's see what session we're in. Let's see what price is doing in our session. Alright, this is our New York. We're moving right into Asia session. What time is it? Yep. So instead of distributing, we decided to consolidate in that New York session. So I'll wait and see what price does. So this would be my accumulation that I'm looking at right here. And this is my external. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna mark it as my external. It doesn't. I don't know why it's not saving my progress, but I'm about to just add it up myself. We was up. I'm just gonna say 3. All right, up 458. Price is doing the same thing. My internal range. We got an internal AMD right here. The jet ski. Oh shit. Just hopping out the jet ski. Alrighty. Hourly, 4 hour. Huh? Like prices. Prices closing out beneath this hourly fair value right here. Okay. Look like we could sweep the low. Twin bitches hopping out the jet ski. Hold up. Bullish OB right here. Okay, we had a bullish OB. We rejected off of. Now we're rejecting off that 1 hour fair value. Okay, I would want price to go lower here. Let's see if price comes up and sweep this high. I want price to sweep this high. Yep. Then I want it to disclose back lower. Yep. I want to sweep that high. That's what this would have been still down here. Open. Open, close. Put it on that close. No. Which one was it? Which one is it? I can't remember what line it was. Hold up. Let me think. My open, close. I keep getting my one line mixed up. The last candle to sweep. Okay. Be right here. Oh. There we go. There we go. The last serious red green candle to sweep the high. put that shit right on that open. Okay. Okay. We got price to move back higher. Like prices in this huge consolidation range right here. We making equal highs and we making equal lows. This whole range. Okay. So I wouldn't trade any of this right here. Why the hell I keep getting the bad time frames? So I wouldn't trade any of this right here. Why? Because I see these equal highs and I see this equal lows. This price is still in this big old accumulation range. So price is just bouncing around. So I will literally just sit on my hands right here and just wait and see what price wants to do. Still looking at my zones and seeing how price reacts. Hold up real quick. So I wouldn't even risk profit, especially because we already are in profit. There's no reason to risk it. Wait for a solid play to play out. Look, price is just. I'm gonna mark out this just so I can visually see it. Let's get rid of this right here. Living a dream. Okay. Living a dream. Living a dream. I'm just marking out my zones so I can see them. Price just reacted here. Price swept this high. Equal high, equal low. We're just in this huge ass consolidation range. This huge ass accumulation. You see it. Still making higher lows. I would still want price to displace lower. How's it go low? Look like prices distributing back higher. We're adjusting off this 5 minute. I wouldn't chase this though because we close to that high. So if price wanted to move up, I'll just let it sweep the high and let it do what it do. Oh my goodness. What a wig though. Yeah, this is a horrible time frame right here. You're in this huge ass consolidation range. Price just went all the way down there. Close. Another dream. Yep. Started we were living a dream. Living a dream. think that was the entry, the first initial. Let's come back lower here. Load up. Really? We want to be risking this 1-to-1 here. Price coming back down to this range here. So this trade right here is just reading this big ass consolidation range. I will only take it for this 1-to-1. Back up down to the low. I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't. Want to sip in, I got a whole bottle. My liquor, my drinks gonna swallow in a bartender. Wake up the next day and I'm out of color. I really got it in. All this jealousy and nagging when I sit in. Let's take profit right there. Y'all want real love. TP hit again. Do the rate, cause I don't sit in, I don't fit in. Tell me what's the secret to love. We just made $500 the day of the day, all together off back testing. What's the word? On me, I definitely could have entered that last week, but it's moving in 5-minute increments. So that huge wick is like, it's kind of hard to see when you're back testing. It's a lot easier to see when you on the live market, but this one, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. There you go. Mm-hmm. 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 Into them order blocks. Yep. 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 Playing that huge consolidation range. Yep. Yep. Man. On me, I could have got in a lot earlier. I still like that green bean, but I most definitely could have got in a lot earlier. But but yeah, shit. Yeah, I just joined. I'm about to be I'm about to get off for the night. I might be getting off for the night in a little bit. Yeah, that was the consolidation range. I might do one more play. We up 500 today. It's not saving for oh, here you go. I hate how it doesn't save your total progress on here. That's why I don't like the trading on the trading view. You want one more? I can see my progress, but some reason when I'm doing replay testing, it only saves the last recent replay. Like it doesn't save all of them, so I have to like add them up and do like I have to add them up and stuff myself. Yeah, that's the only thing. I'm gonna go to the bathroom right quick, yeah, and I'll do one more. I'll do another play. We up 500 on this back testing though, so not so bad. All right. All right, let's try to get one more trade in. So far, so good. Let's get one more going. Let's get a different date going. It always goes to like the dates I've already traded. Like I've already traded that. No, this is the same time frame. What's this? Let's go just click December 17th. And let's trade that. Alright, we're gonna walk through this last one together and hopefully we can get a decent, nice setup for the last little trade. Okay. What we got? Okay, we're in the Asia session going over into our London session. So automatically I will be looking to where we created accumulation. I see that we were accumulating here. Off the bat, I see this here. So we just mark this. I'll just mark this out just to see it. Matter of fact, it might be better if I do it this way. Look like we were having accumulation here. Hey, I just do it. I can visually see it, but it might be better for y'all if I do the box, and it might be better for me too if I start drawing the box out to physically see it. So price is manipulating higher. So now I want to see how far high do they want to draw this price. We got liquid here. They took out liquid here. They took out. It's also a OB right here that it rejected off from. If price want to move back higher, I still got this liquid up here. So I just want to see how far up they really want to push this. Okay. So we're still in this manipulation phase right here. This is the current manipulation here, but we can still see. I'm just gonna mark this out because I can still see this. I'm just gonna mark it out like that. Okay. All right. So we're going over into that London session. High. Look, we had an equal high, equal low. Price might come back. Okay. All right. Automatically, right here, it looks like price might want to come out and take. It'd be a lot easier for price to take out this high. But let's just see. I'm just gonna mark out my daily just so I can visually see it. Oh, that's right on my. Okay. Oh, that's right on my daily. out my daily high and low. No, I'm backtesting right now. Daily high and low. Daily FVG. Run into that London. Okay. We got a 4-hour OB here. FVG. I said OVG. I don't know what I said. Alright, we got another 4 hours here. Alright, so we got 2 4-hour fair value. Okay. Let's see what happened. If we got any order blocks that might be playing off from. Unmitigated anything. Looks like we just been in this little uptrend. Looking higher lows. Looks like we're extended. Right now, look like we can get price to make another higher low. See how I react on this 4 hour. Then we can get a back push up. Or if we want to keep going through, I'll be looking for price to reject here, then push back up. Still making a higher low, but playing that little exhaustion phase of it. So now we got our bigger zones mapped out. Let's look and see what we got on our 1 hour. Our 1 hour, you can get a lot tighter if you want. So I'm just gonna mark this one right here, my 1 hour FVG right here. Looks like we got a nice little bounce off from it. Nice little bounce. Okay. Nice little bounce. What else? Okay, we got this hourly OB. Hourly OB here. Yep. Okay, we got our hourly OB. Okay. So right now, honestly, looking at it, I will want price to go back down. Either I will want price to hold up above this OB and take out this high, then this place lower, or I just want price to just keep. Look, we fell down, retested it, so it looked like we on the move back down now. So it looked like we already on that way of that breaker structure. But I can double check once I get to my lower time frame just to see what price, what the little wicks are doing. But right now it looks like we're on our way already down in this downward move. You can at least play this downward move back to these lows. But let's just see what price. Yep. And like Secret said, let's see what this that wick block is doing right here. So I just like to visually see it. We closed out below it. We closed out below that 50%. Then this place lower right below that bearish order block. It's kind of just confirming that low, that downward movement for me. Okay. If our accumulation, our manipulation of these highs, then I want to see this price go lower. Okay. Okay, I think that's. Let's go to our 30-minute right quick, just to get a look at it, to see what's going on. Look here, price close below. Go back to that. Yeah. Yeah. I, okay. So, yeah. These are just concerning. Y'all see this accumulation and manipulation back higher. We closed right below. Took that liquidity. So now I'll be looking for this entry. I'm a little late. So let's just see what price did for me. Close up below. Last candle to close below. Open. So I really be looking here with an enter there. Right now we got here. So this could be an entry. That was another entry here. Yeah. I really want to enter here, but I think price already mitigated that, so I'm just gonna hop in here. Then I would do this, not risking so much. Then I'll be coming back down for the low. Then I will add more contracts in once it starts going my direction. So well, shit. Okay, let's see if we can get another add some contracts onto this. Got this fair value. We got this fair value right here. So I'll be looking for price to come back. If price come back right here, I wouldn't mind adding on. Oh dang, I added onto my position already. I didn't mean to. Bruh. Y'all see what I'm saying? I'll be messing my own self up. Yeah, I didn't mean to do that, but it's alright. Boom, another TP. We got, come on, man. Come on, man. Fucking 4 green beans back to back to back to back. Alright, that's 664 we made tonight. Man. Yeah, I use value as part of what I do. Come on, man, another green motherfucking bean. No, I'm not trading live. Oh, I already answered that question. Alright. Bro, y'all see it. Yeah. Come on, bro. Is that God telling me that I'm ready to move back into my funded? Go. Is it time for me to go past my eval back, y'all? Is it time for me to pass the eval now? It might be. Yeah. Consistency. Yeah. It might be time. It might be time. Does Apex? How do I hook up my eval to here? Cause I want to use it on my I want to use it on my trading view. I never used like trading view for eval yet, so I don't know. Cause don't I connect Seekers? What you do? What do you have connected to your trading view account? Oh, he might not even be up no more. Oh, never mind. You don't. Never mind. Never mind. I thought I was thinking about a prop firm, but you're not in the prop firm right now. You got trade evade. Okay. Not trader locker. You got trade evade. Oh, so do you buy your trade evade? Do you just buy your TraderVate through Apex, but you just connect it to your trading view? Mm, yeah, you do yours through TopStep. TopStep doesn't have TraderVate though, Jay. Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, Apex has TraderVate. Unless I'm tripping. Okay, so look, what I'm saying though, like I usually go through so before I used to go through Apex, then I click the TradeAvate account. Would I just buy from actually TradeAvate, or would I go through like my Apex again, like buy through Apex, and once I get to my Apex, I connect it through. I just connect it to my TradeView basically. They did last week, but took it off. Yeah, because TradeAvate is butt. Like the TradeAvate platform is butt to trade on. But yeah, we'll see. I think I think I'm probably gonna be moving back into my eval. I think I'm gonna be moving back into an eval. Okay. That so overall good 2 weeks. Like really good 2 weeks of trading. Like I already it's just a blessing. I already would have passed my eval. I made more I made more than 3,000. Then like even just back testing today, because what is my paper trading on now? My paper trading account on 25850 plus. Yeah, and I just look, and the money I just made today, I still would have made 3,000 if I even just added that onto my balance that I have now. So that's I don't know why. I don't know why I'm like getting in my head right now, because it's like my progress is telling me that I'm ready, but for some reason like my mind right now is like give it more time, give it more time. But yeah, I used to use Apex. I don't like using the Trade of Aid though on Apex. I think that's the problem I don't like. I don't really like Apex in general. Honestly, I like the 90% discount, but I don't like Apex in general. But yeah, overall progress is it was good these past 2 weeks. Um, I might be ready. I might be ready. I might be ready with my new strategy to move on, and I'm still gonna be learning and improving though. So you heard my funded futures is good. Okay, Big Nate, thank you for the gifts, bro. I didn't even notice that. I appreciate you. Bolster, I appreciate you. If you even still in here, I don't ever see these. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you. What percentage do you risk per trade? I usually try to do a 2 to 1, but I'm learning how to scale. So instead of doing 2 to 1s, I'm getting my like 3 to 1s, 4 to 1s, scaling into my position. So risking less starting off. So you know, only risking between $100 to $300 per trade. Because if I was to lose $100 to $300 a trade, I'm able to lose 15 trades in a row. And honestly, like I don't see myself losing 15 straight trades in a row. So that's why like a lot of people ask me why I started scaling in and stuff like that, because if I risk 200 to 3 if I risk 100 to 200 $300 a trade, I'm able to lose between 12 to 15 trades in a row. I'm not going to lose 15 trades in a fucking row. So, what you mean what about my strat chains? I've been doing my strat chain on me. I was full. I don't know if you were saying, are you telling me I was full green this week, but I was full green this week. I was full green this week and last week through the grace of God. This way, a risk manager allows room for exactly. It allows me more room for error, because it's like what was happening was I kept entering my trades right away, four or five contracts, and I'm risking $600 $700 per trade. And when I thought about it, I'm like, wait, why the hell am I risking so much? Like I can literally scale into my position. So I have my entry one where I do two contracts. So my two contracts allows me it allows me wiggle room. So I'm able to put my stop loss, man. So I'm able to put my stop loss up here and be comfortable with it because I'm only risking $200 instead of me risking $700 $800 up here and then having to be all the way down here. So now I'm able to do this, be up here. Then once price entry one, then once price starts going my way, I could do entry two, and now I'm up here. Now I'm doing a four. Now it's a 5-to-1 instead of being a 2-to-1. I'm making a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 play, risking less, and either way I'm still in profit. So that's what I've been learning. That's what I'm doing. We'll see. If Apex got a 90%, I know somebody told me they had 90% last week, but I wasn't ready just yet. But we'll see. I might be moving back into my I'm about to pass my eval. That's what's about to happen. No, me. Man. Just off the profit I made today, I still would have made. So I would have passed my I already passed my eval. I mean, I'm not in a rush to quit my job at all. Not at all. Because even if I'm profitable, even if I'm a profitable trader, I'm going to use my real job to fund my investments, my long-term investments in my real estate property. So once I have about 4 or 5 properties up and going, and I'm still becoming a profitable trader day trading, then I'm a be out of there. Yep, I'm not. Yeah, on me, I won't stop learning. I think it's time, yeah. It took us. We've been learning our new strategy for almost a month, about 2-3 weeks now. We was in a green 2 weeks in a row. God is good. God is really good. I see the difference in my trading style. I see the difference in the way I'm confident about certain trades and the way I read the market. I feel really good. I feel really confident, and I'm ready to make this money, yeah. I ain't gonna fake it. I'm still learning, and I'm not even at my peak. Like, oh my goodness, I'm still early. Just wait until I'm really at my peak, and psh. Of course, I'm gonna stream my combine. I'm gonna pick and choose. Oh me, like I've already been, motherfuckers just been copy trading me and passing their evals and shit, but y'all motherfuckers, bro. The motherfuckers just be waiting for me to go online just to copy trade my shit. I'm gonna fuck around and gotta go live for a whole week and fuck y'all whole account up. Oh me, they gonna be texting me when you're coming back online. The market, they gonna be lying. The market's been crazy, hasn't it? No, the market been perfectly fine. I appreciate you, Jay. That's my goal. I appreciate you, Jay. I'm trying my best. I'm really trying my best. Like, I don't know why I'm so nervous. I keep making myself nervous. I see my progress. I've already made the money. Like, I've already did it, but it hasn't. I just need to pass my eval, and I don't know why I'm getting nervous about it this time. I think because this time I'm really focused, and I feel like I really like, I feel like I'm really, yeah, I'm really just ready. On me, Jay, you a real one, Jay. That's how I be. That's how you should be. That's how it should be. Don't copy trade, but take your notes and learn, and take what I'm doing and become better. I mean, shit. I say become better, but I'm gonna constantly keep becoming better. So you better keep the fuck up. That's all I gotta say. You better keep the fuck up if you want to become better. because I'm gonna keep learning and motivating myself and keep learning and expanding every day. So if you really want to keep up and keep going, you're gonna have to come on. You're gonna have to come on with that shit. On me. Then once I get started, we got something. No secrets, no. We got something. We got something planned. So you might want to be learning for real. I plan on doing. I got something planned where I'm gonna be doing some giveaways and stuff. Something that ain't never been done before in the trading community, like within us trader community. We got a plan for something that ain't never been done. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways and some other shit. We gonna make trading is competitive either way, and I noticed that since I started. But yep. Look, look, don't type it out in chat. Look, relax. Don't type it out in chat yet. But yeah. Big tournaments. I'm gonna be in them too. That's why I say I'm gonna be in them motherfuckers too. So like, so everybody who be like, all the haters, everybody, you into that shit, and we really just gonna duke it out on the charts now. We gonna have fun with it, do some giveaways, and have fun with it. Yeah, we gonna duke that shit out on the chart, and may the best trader win. It's not ready yet. I'm still working on it. I still gotta prove to myself. I still gotta pass my eval. I still gotta prove to myself, but that's the goal. Yep. What's the word, Aiden? Yeah, I appreciate the follow, my boy. I appreciate you. Aiden, you just jumped on when I'm just talking now. I'm about to get off. We made like 670 or 668 or something like that tonight with the back testing. But I'm about to be editing and studying this weekend. Then join the Discord. We won't have a Sunday study session. We're gonna be having a Sunday study session. My man trying to pocket watch over there. Swear to God, man, to see you always up here. I appreciate you, Aiden. I'm glad to see you up here with me, man. I'm glad to see you up here. Should have been less greedy. Yeah, I didn't look at Eve. You got the inspiration. All you need, just knowing that someone has already made that money or have it. That's the motivation right there. That's the inspiration you need. You don't need to exact them out. You knowing that it happened and you knowing that it's true, or you knowing it's a certain way, that's the inspiration and the motivation. Have a very nice day. I appreciate it, Aiden. But yeah, good night. Good profitable 2 weeks. We took nothing but straight green beans for the past 2 weeks. So God is good. All I can do is just keep improving myself, keep getting better, and not you can't get a blown out head when things happen like that. Just stay focused, because losing can happen. Losing can happen, and when you lose, you just gotta take your punch, take it like a champ, then you move on to the next. So I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to move on to my eval. We gonna pass this eval, and then we gonna start building this generational wealth, y'all. So I really love y'all. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the support. Oh, what time is the study says? The study says is, I believe, is at 7 p.m. Central on Sunday. Shit, we'll see. We might start a little bit earlier. I might be on the charts a little bit earlier doing some more back testing on God. So I might be on the charts at like 4 or 5 in the. I'm gonna be in the Discord though. So if anybody want to join me, I'm gonna be in there back testing. Shit. But this gonna be our first study session going on. So we'll see. We'll see how this one goes and change the structure around. Do whatever. Good stuff, Romeo. On me, you Gucci. Good stuff. But all right, y'all. I think it was a good little back testing stream today. I I proved to myself that I can pass my eval. I'm just gonna keep getting better, keep improving my skills. Then we gonna pass this funded account. If you need me, you know where I'm at. Feel free to join the Discord. All right, I'll accept your challenge, Cookout. I'll accept your challenge. Remember that too. But yeah, look, don't be talking about it too much in the chat. Don't be talking about it too much. I don't want everybody to know. I don't want everybody to get so hyped up and excited just yet. It's still gonna be a work in progress. You gotta figure out everything out. So if you know what the plan is, try not to say it. Try not to say it too much. But yeah. But all right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I love every single one of y'all. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Feel free to join the Discord. We're gonna be having our study session on Sunday, and yeah, I'm gonna be looking to go back into my eval. I'm gonna look around, do some research, figure out what account I want to go into. Yep, I use Turtle Soup. That's one of the things I use is Turtle Soup. So I use it in the bigger picture, so my whatever kill zone or session that we're in, and I use it in my smaller time frames as well. But shit, y'all know where I'm at. Y'all know where I be. On me, AMD. You probably heard it. Have you heard like Power 3 or AMD? On me, I'll see you Sunday, Logan. On me, we'll be in the Discord. I won't be live. Like I won't be live streaming any of this because I want to be like just in case we want to watch like a YouTube video and study it and stuff together. So I won't be live. I don't want to have any issues or anything going live. And I want to be more focused with y'all like in the Discord. So it'll kind of feel like more of like a one-on-one, but it'll be like more of all of us together. Like we'll all be together talking about it. Cause on live it's kind of hard. So just to give have that little time with the community in the Discord. Yep. It's in my bio. Links in my bio. If it doesn't work, then just DM me. Then I'm gonna be figuring out a plan. I might run a poll today or tomorrow to see all the topics we want to talk about. But yeah. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a good weekend. Shit, I'm about to chill for the rest of the night. All day tomorrow, I'm gonna be fucking editing. So hopefully I can get some edits done so I can post some more videos. But y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a good weekend. Thank y'all for joining this little short 3-hour stream with me back testing. We taking some old green motherfucking beans. All we do is take green beans. But all right, y'all. All right, my boy. All right, secrets. But all right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch y'all Sunday.